तुमने मुझे चौंका दिया। You surprise me. You surprise me. तुम अंदर कैसे आए? How did you get in? How did you get in? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? मैं पूरा प्रयास करूँगा। I will try my best. I will try my best. मुझे गर्मी लग रही है। I am feeling hot. I am feeling hot. आपका शौक क्या है? What is your hobby? What is your hobby? मुझे पैसे बचाने हैं। I need to save money. I need to save money. यह जगह बहुत भीड़ भाड़ वाली है। This place is very crowded. This place is very crowded. मैं अभी वापस आता हूँ। I will be right back. I will be right back. क्या आपको किसी मदद की ज़रूरत है? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? कान खोलकर सुन लो। You better listen up. You better listen up. ठंडा पानी मत पियो। Don't sip chilled water. Don't sip chilled water. आज बहुत गर्मी है। It's very hot today. It's very hot today. बिजली चमक रही है। It is lighting. It is lighting. मेरी घड़ी बंद हो गई है। My watch is not functioning. My watch is not functioning. वह 5 बजे उठता है। He wakes up 5 o'clock. He wakes up 5 o'clock. आपकी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था। You should not have said so. You should not have said so. सभी को सम्मान दो। Be respectful to everyone. Be respectful to everyone. बोलने से पहले सोचना। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? समय सब बदल देता है। Time change everything. Time change everything. कोई सुनना ही नहीं चाहता। Nobody cares to listen. Nobody cares to listen. क्या तुम उसे बेवकूफ़ समझते हो? Do you take him for fool? Do you take him for a fool? क्या तुम मेरे घर नहीं चलोगे? Will you not come to my house? Will you not come to my house? आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं? Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? तुम इतना खुश कैसे रहते हो? How do you remain to cheerful? How do you remain to cheerful? मुझे बुखार है। I have a fever. I have a fever. मुझे खांसी आ रही है। I am coughing. I am coughing. यह मेरा अंतिम फैसला है। This is my final decision. This is my final decision. तुम्हें शक करने की आदत है। You have habit to doubt. You have habit to doubt. तुम मुझ पर नज़र रख रहे थे। You were keeping eyes on me. You were keeping eyes on me. क्या तुम्हें जलन हो रही है? Are you getting jealous? Are you getting jealous? ऐसा गलती से हो गया. It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. यह मेरे एक दोस्त के लिए है. It's for a friend of mine. It's for a friend of mine. चलो आज दोपहर को मिलते हैं. Let's meet this afternoon. Let's meet this afternoon. क्या मैं कुछ प्रश्न पूछ सकता हूँ? May I ask some question? May I ask some question? मुझे तुमको दोबारा देखकर खुशी हुई. I am glad to see you again. I am glad to see you again. शुरू शुरू में ऐसा होता है. Initially it happened. Initially it happened. शुरू शुरू में मैं भी ऐसा ही सोचता था. Initially I also thought the same. Initially I also thought the same. हर किसी से गलती होती है. Everyone make mistake. Everyone make mistake. ऐसे थोड़ी ना खाते हैं. That was not way to eat. That was not way to eat. ऐसे थोड़ी ना पानी पीना था. That was not way to drink water. That was not way to drink water. ऐसे थोड़ी ना बोलना था. That was not way to speak. That was not way to speak. कोई मेरे लिए ऐसा करता था. Someone does that for me. Someone does that for me. वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो.